Hi, I'm Tim Hungerford. Recently I did a webinar on remotely managing fraud during a crisis. I hope you'll enjoy it. When you get into customer related, you're looking for unauthorized credit limit increases. So you've got customers you want to sell to, they might be having financial difficulties themselves. You've got a sales rep out there who wants to make his commission. There's a potential inflation of sales that could be related to that, or increasing that credit limit and then that customer's not able to pay it, that could present problems for your company in the future. So you want to make sure that they're authorized, so you're going to monitor those credit limit increases. Increased return product adjustments, especially in industries where product does not have to be returned. Now, what does that mean? An example I've got is I did an audit for an international bike company, and it was expensive once the bikes got out to Walmart and Target or wherever they are. And of course, right now, it's if you can find a bike at Walmart, you're doing well because they're off the shelves. But in this particular case, it's so expensive to ship bikes back from Walmart to the bike manufacturer that they just write them off. Well, part of that is, well, how much do you write off? And there's a lot of question mark or estimates on this. So if you see an increase in that product return adjustment, it's possible that, again, someone's trying to lower what they owe to your company, and it's probably associated with some sort of relationship that a sales rep might have with that company. So be leery of those, as well as any miscellaneous adjustment to a customer account during this time period. If it's a accounting or receivables person, they could have a lapping scheme going on, where again they're moving money around through adjustments and changes, and then pocketing the net, and hoping that it doesn't get caught up because of all the crisis issues that are going on. But you could also have a sales rep kickback scheme where they're putting this miscellaneous adjustments through. And a lot of times when that happens, those adjustments might reduce what the customer owes. It all looks like it's goodwill and everything, but for all we know, that sales rep's going back to that customer and saying, "Hey, I reduced your uh, what you owe by $5,000. How about donating $2,000 to my kids' club or whatever we've got going on?" So you really want to keep your eye on those miscellaneous adjustments. Increases in contractual rebates or discount rates. Again, make sure that any increases in discounts to customers or additional rebates are properly documented and authorized. And then finally, similar to vendors, watch out for bankruptcies. Again, identify who those key customers are that you have. Get in touch with the people within your company to see how the relationship's going with them. Try to stay connected so that you can identify any bankruptcies, because ultimately you're not going to get paid from those, and that's going to affect the cash flow, which is probably already stressed during this time period.